Tree frogs are active. What do you think, Raven? Oh, zoomies. We usually get a lot of rain in the spring, and then it dries out towards the middle end of the summer, but this year has been wetter than normal. We'll see as the year goes on, the water level at the edge of the pond there usually starts to drop. But that's a good question. I'm not sure how many inches are normal for Vermont. I think we're extra wet though this year. Hello, puppies. Moose, your tongue's hanging out. Where's he going, Raven? Here he comes. Hey, no growling. Be nice. What do you think, Moose? You're a good boy. Oh yeah. They are conditioned. They know exactly what time it is, and they'll let me know. They get breakfast and dinner, so in the morning they don't let you sleep in. And then right around 7:30 they get their dinner. And man, they've got internal clocks. They know when it's time. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, Moose, you ran right into me.